Hi, this is Guld with Geeks on Tour, and in this tutorial video I want to talk about sign in with Google, or ways to create accounts without coming up with another password. Doesn't that sound wonderful? Here's how it works. In another video I showed how to turn on two-factor authentication, and I used the account for Alice Apple to do that. I am now signed in to my browser with Alice Apple's account, and she has decided that she wants to start using Evernote. She goes to evernote.com and she has to sign up for an account. Click sign up, and she just wants the free one, and it only says continue with Google here, but I want you to see what happens if you click sign in. You can sign in with Google or with Apple. They are both considered federated identity providers, meaning they have good security and they know who you are, and they will just provide a token to this other site. So let's say continue with Google. And it tells her, oh, well, you don't actually have an account yet. You do have to create an account using your Google account. Create. She does not want premium. And get started. So all of this is Evernote stuff. It's already done. Alice has an account on Evernote without having signed up for another password. Let's create a quick note. So here is Alice's note, and now she's going to sign off and go somewhere else. So Alice is still logged into her Google account on her Chrome browser. So now when she goes to Evernote, it'll be so easy. You just click log in and continue with Google. She's already logged into her secured Google account. And since she set up her Evernote account using her Google identity, that's all you have to do. And she is in Evernote without ever having created a password for Evernote. Therefore, if Evernote ever got compromised and some bad guys got all the customer information, they would get Alice's name, they would get her email, but they would not get a password. That does not come through from Google. Google just verifies that Alice is who she says she is by sending a token to Evernote. So that is sign in with Google. And it works pretty much the same. Sign in with Apple or Facebook, and there are others. They are called federated identity providers.